So we want this up there. So we get the cars that are on here, but it's my van at the minute. So firstly, we want to see if we can get through. Yes, all we do is get a cable out of there. It looks like it's a single cable out of this switch fuse spur. Hopefully there's room in that trunk in to be able to clip it nice and neat up to there. So first I'm going to measure so I can get the centre of that wall, but ideally I do count the bricks and go at the middle because I want to make it pleasing to the eye rather than dead on to the centre. So the plan is 16, 16, go up the centre so it keeps it in line with the gable end, and go through this wall here through the mortar. And with the help of my cable drum set up, my super rod, fantastic little bit of kit. Luckily this, well, I say luckily, it's something I found out. This was single skin, this bit. The rest of it is double by the looks of it. So we're just gonna pop it through and then pull it to where we need it. So I clipped it all on the inside and then cut it off here just enough so I can terminate the new ring light. And these ring lights, yep, they do come with a little tool that makes it so easy to be able to take to bits. And obviously use the tool because then you don't have to get your grips on there and wreck the paint on the little screw heads. And this is where I get my little impact driver out with the masonry bit on the end. And as you can see, these arm egg bits, they fly into this red brick. Spot on. And of course, put a bit of sealant in there just so no water gets in to basically the garage from the hole that I've drilled. And yes, it would have been better black, but it's behind the light fitting, so no one's ever gonna know. And with one-handed, look, I can just fly these straight in just to secure the base of the ring light up. Too bloody long. And then I terminated the live and neutral into the light, and all I've got to do with one hand maybe is fix the ring light back up to its bracket using the little tool it came with. Look, you can just do it nice and easy. Just do it hand tight. It doesn't have to be mega tight because it will pull them out the back. Now I want to find out if this, because we've got this switch fuse spare for that light, which, yeah, that's good. But then this must be the isolator for the garage. So let's find out. Look at that, it is. That's convenient. And then all you want to do is connect your neutral to the neutral and the live to the live. See that? Yeah, I know. I'll fix it. So there we go, that's what you want, the outgoing supply. That wants to be outgoing to the lights, because obviously this fuse spur fuses it down, and the outgoing neutral don't connect onto the incoming. It won't be protected. I've just thought that switch fuse spur is to turn the light on and off. So then when you turn the light on and off, the camera will go on and off. Ding bat. So that's better. Oh, got to put that back in. The supply comes into here, and this is where it can be switched. And I've just put the switch wire in a way go inside there. So then now that can be a light switch, and then that can be the supply. There we go, garage isolator, sockets, lighting supply, and the garage light. Which there we go. And we have a supply to the ring camera. Yep, that's on already.
Here we have a ring floodlight cam wired. This actually wires up to the mains. It can be wired into the fuse box, but for now I'm wiring it to a 3-pin plug. It comes with instruction book, set an extra 2 nuts and an extra nut as far as I can see for holding it together, screws, a screwdriver, more instructions, a sticker. The camera's got 2 floodlights, one either side. The camera, of course, as you can see, it's got 3 wires in the back for wiring it up to the mains. Here's the base plate where you fit up on the wall outside. Where you connect your wiring. It's got a little spirit level in it at the top. It comes well packed in a sturdy box. Instructions there. A bit more writing there. And there. I'll come back to you later when it's fitted. As I've got to fit it up a ladder, I'm not taking no videos, so you don't need to be up high, but just where I'm fitting it is. So I'll let you see what it looks like when it's working. Thank you very much. Here it is lighting up the side of the house at night. Thank you. Here it's recording the side here, back of the garden. And it's way up there. Thank you.
This is a demonstration of what the audio sounds like when you're speaking through the flashlight.
So what I like about this ring system, they've gone beyond thinking about technology and security. They thought about the poor guy like me who's up the ladder trying to install the damn thing. Now, not only have they given me a tiny little spirit level on that bracket there, so I can level it up, but this is the clever bit, this little strap. And it's quite a weighty piece of kit. So what you can do with this little strap, you put it on your bracket here. It goes on a little tiny hook, sturdy hook built into the fastener. Bear with me, it's worth it. I hooked on, I can let the appliance go. Absolutely Bob's your uncle. My hands are free to do my wiring. Now that's clever. You see, that's where something goes above and beyond what everyone else is offering. So well done, Ring, you are the best.